Matchmaking is a very important and responsible profession. The challenges with matchmakers is that they go through several paradoxes. The most important being ensuring there is client outcomes with accuracy and also maintaining client experience and yet scaling to accommodate more and more customers. Here are our solution offerings. We have explained again and again that everything that we do is based on intent. We are really not interested about the objective world. We take the subjective and make it objective. We take the emotional and make it rational. Matchmaking is a game of intent and a lot of emotions. There are three intents over here, but ultimately, the success of a really good matchmaker will depend upon how they handle the tough situations. Here's our offering. The first thing is understanding the child inside the client, which means their parenting, their upbringing. What are the archetypes that the parents followed? What are the parental dynamics? These are very important to understand one key element, that is, rejections and betrayals that most customers go through. The second would be to understand the adult, because first of all, they're coming to you with a load of traumas. They're coming to you because the apps did not help. They're coming to you because they desperately need something. So, the setbacks, trauma, abandonment patterns, the ancestral patterns, all these are fundamental. Then comes the elements of the near past, which means what was their relationship power plays? Are they abusers? Are they victims? What are the deep fears? Do they have a disease, a disability? Do they have mental health illness? We don't know. There's no way a 300 to 400 point questionnaire or a 1,000 point questionnaire will be able to understand all this because customers lie. Ultimately, compatibility is the crucial and the most important piece. It all depends upon inner motivation. There's a difference between wants and needs. What are the boundaries? What is the openness? What are the weak spots? And understanding karmic connections is vital. We have seen this again and again and again. But the best piece is the forecasting. When do you set up a date? What are the bad times to date? Finally, simulating choice. For example, let's say a couple is going to cohabitate. We can simulate the future and understand the relationship dynamics. When can divorce happen? We can simulate that to a future timeline and find that out. Finally, weeding out gold diggers or finding out abusers and narcissists, they are also fundamental. So ultimately, if you look at what we do, we create client intelligence that is very difficult for matchmakers to get from their clients because, first of all, the lack of time. Second, if you ask too much, it leaves the customer naked. Nobody wants to talk about the dirty laundry, but that's what matters. So ultimately, the past is what we can provide you. We can provide you with the present, and then finally, we can forecast the future. Thanks for watching.